Okay, cool. It looks like the microphone is back. Sorry about that. Um, we'll call it underdocumented feature. It looks like there's something weird going on with my microphone. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. And for the time being, I switched the audio input to come from my camera. And so actually this might end up being better. Who knows? So we'll see. And whatever. So sorry, I'm getting completely off topic. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be moving the notebook environment for Dask inside of the cluster. So far, in all of the examples that we've been working on, I've been running the notebook on my desktop, which is not inside the cluster. And we've run into a few minor issues as a result of this. Um, and I did this initially to save time, but after talking with Matt on Thursday, Matt, he made it really clear that like I should probably really actually try putting the notebook inside the cluster. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm really hoping it works. Oh dear. And I'm just noticing some other um, we could call them underdocumented features again. So there we go. Girl, hey. Hey, girl, hey. Hey, girl, hey. So, which people can't see, but dear. Uh, I drank it all first because I'm sends it over you on the stream. And this the stream coming from somewhere else. Uh, this new red box has been kind of a pain in the ass, and he's maybe partially got a new monitor that comes on Saturday. Okay. Like this monitor that I got, it's nice. I love. Like too low. It's like monitor. Stand? No, I don't have thought through more than most of my plans. It's okay. So every time I press the smart button, it breaks the audio. And most
Oh,
likely that's like some weird USB bus shit, and I can probably actually fix this. Uh, but for now, I'll fix my Stream Deck later. Um, because it's probably just like drawing a little bit too much current, so I just got to move it off of the MRAW onto the MRAW. How are you?
I'm okay. I maybe figured out why the heat exchanger costs the wrong amount.
Okay, solid start.
Yeah, and like it doesn't necessarily fix it, but it explains it. And my job isn't to fix things.
Right,
My
right, right.
job is to explain things.
So I just had audacious fans ask me if I was surfing this morning, and no, I was not surfing. But if you remember the Hackers movie, also known as the best movie ever, um,
The soundtrack is just really wired to sex for me.
oh God, yeah.
That the soundtrack is sexy, and it's got Angelina Jolie's titties, like young Angelina Jolie, and she's super hot. And I hope she was over 18 in that.
Oh yeah, no, she was.
She's like
Oh
old
no,
now.
oh dear. You know what else has crashed? Oh no, oh my, oh my stars, oh my stars. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay, there we go. Anyways, yeah, I wasn't surfing, but I was doing things with buttons and stuff. Okay, cool. There we go. The live streaming device has shown back up. There we go. That's great. Super solid. I can't see anything, so I'm gonna change the resolution. Because this is sort of a long story, but suffice it to say, I tried to solve this problem, and that was in retrospect. The way that I tried to solve it, I should have known better. Yes? And there we go. Super happy fun times. Super happy fun times. I miss surfing. I never really surfed a lot, but I do kind of. I wish I surfed more often. Anyways, um, right. Moving. Oh, hello. Oh dear. Oh, damn it. I didn't hit OK on the display thing, so it reverted the display, and then that broke everything. Because of course it did. Okay. 1920 1080. Hit apply. Then we go ahead. The like it's okay button disappeared though. Like I can't find the it's okay button. Damn it. Computers. Oh no, and it keeps reverting, and I keep not being able to find the it's okay button. This is not good. Not good. Okay. Magic, computer box, magic. I mean, I guess worst case scenario, I can just live with the funky resolution and I'll fix up this screen. Yeah, I don't. I guess we'll. I don't. Don't. Okay. I'm going to do a few random things, and then maybe it'll work less bad. Sorry, everyone. Magic computers are sometimes not very magical. An authentically terrible experience is. There we go. Okay. Yes. 1920 by 1080. Apply. There we go. Keep changes. Thank God. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Okay, no, not what I want. I'm sorry, everyone. Okay. There we go, finally. And then now I should be able to bring the thingy back up. We want to relaunch barrier. So I can go over here, and most likely this is a different video device now. There we go. Okay, cool. Computers. Lovely. Anyways, okay. So, let's get back to business. So we are going to go into the scaling Python ML. We're going into the Scratch directory. We're going to go into dask docker. And the reason why we're starting off here is I'm pretty sure that I'm going to want to rebuild the notebook Docker container. And so Emacs, we'll bring our Emacs over here. And then notebook. Okay. Yeah, so the first, oh, that's why I didn't rebuild the this one right away. And it's because the notebook lab image is a different base than the other ones. Okay, well, sounds like a party. Okay. Can I do, okay. And then I remember that there's some Jupyter stuff which doesn't install super cleanly. But it doesn't look like we're installing that here. Nope, okay, static files to clean up. I remember that being an issue. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. This looks reasonable-ish, although I'm going to need to figure out what is in the Jupyter base notebook Docker file so that we can set it up, I guess, essentially. But the good thing is it's probably not too complicated. Oh, there's some different... Yeah. Okay. So there's a base notebook. Oh, hey, a Spark notebook. Oh, and there's a PPC LE64 one. Let's actually take a look and see if we do have to rebuild this. Maybe we don't. Maybe I'm being silly and this is actually actually built for ARM. So let's go ahead, take a look. Yeah, that's the one that I want. Go look at the tags. What are you built for? No. AMD 64. All around. Not what I want, and that is okay. That is a-okay. So, yep. So, there's a bunch of stuff in here which I don't particularly want to deal with. Okay. So let's see here. Doot and pulled from upstream notebook. Okay. 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 No, I already did the path thing. Okay, so we're gonna need to get the fixed permission script. Yeah, that's totally fine. Fixed dash permissions. So, yeah. Hmm. 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 Okay. I mean, I guess I like color prompts. That's great. Okay, there we go. Um, sure. Um, install Conda as Joyven. That makes sense, but it's kind of a pain in the ass. Do I have to do this? Hmm. 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 I don't know. We already installed Teeny. I guess. Yeah. At least I think we already installed Teeny. Let's go ahead. We're going to install with Mamba. And end up overriding the entry point anyways. Yeah, that's fine. Hmm. Okay. Okay. And then we'll need these three. I don't want to just like look at them, but I guess that's not. Um, um, hmm. Okay. So yeah. Yes, this is a lot of work, and I'm really lazy, and I gotta believe that there's a Raspbian version of uh Raspbian or Raspbernetes. Sorry, is it okay? Do they have any Jupyter things hanging out here? No, damn it. Okay. Multi-arch Jupyter container. It looks like no one bothers to do this yet. Well, okay, this is getting to be a lot of work. I don't particularly want to do this, so never mind. So what we are going to do instead is, yeah, okay, yeah. So instead, oh, almost all of this. There we go. We're gonna do base notebook lab. And so I think that's just gonna be less work for me. Okay. Okay. Let's go Docker build X, and we are going to just build. Probably it's not gonna work, but let's just start with this and see where it goes. Weird. It's not exploding in the way I was expecting it to. That's kind of exciting. Oh, but our HDMI capture is, because K stands for quality in Flint. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I was honestly expecting this to go way, way worse. Although, what the... Oh, this is super trippy. I'm curious. Okay, I'm gonna click here. Yeah, cool. So that means that that device crashed. God damn it. What the... I mean, to be fair, like, it is warm. But like, yeah. All right. That's fine. So it's gonna take a spell. Um, hmm. I'm curious why the output thing is just stuck over that. God damn it. This like thing keeps crashing, doesn't it? Computers. Do. Okay, plug that back in. Hopefully it works. Go ahead and we go and get device. Yeah, cool. Okay. There we go. Oh, I guess the frame rate's set a little high. We can fix that. go. Maybe? Who knows? Who knows? I dropped the frame rate down a little bit, so hopefully that makes it less likely to explode. Time will tell. Okay. Oh wow, this just worked. Huh. That's lovely. That's so much better than what I was doing before. Okay. Uh yeah. Um Oh, okay. And I should switch that back to Conda because this won't have Mamba installed. Because we're just using the base image. Or we're not using the base image, sorry. We're just using something that is based off of that image. Although now that I think about it, these numbers are not lining up. So I would like to go back over here. Run conda install dash dash gs mamba. Yep. And then switch this to Mamba install. And then dask is 230. Dask 4 is 230. LZ4. We're going to leave off no MKL. We're going to bump NumPy up to 1.9.2 so that it is cross-built. And okay. Okay. Okay, I guess. Let's go see what version. Of dask lab extensions. Lab extensions. Okay, maybe a lab extension. No arch and 300. Okay. Cool. So let's install. So I want the packages to end up being as close as possible between these two different containers. So there we go. I think, and I remember Conda Clean Tipsy. Just it wasn't working very well, so we're just going to take it out. It does mean the image is going to be a little larger because we took it out. Yeah. Okay, I guess let's go ahead, Docker build X, and then we'll do dask notebook, and we'll just do the same version number. Okay, cool. That did not resolve. Oh, did I not put it with dash dash push. Let's go take a look at my Docker hub. Okay, it's there. Base notebook. Oh, 25. I gotta add the dash zero. Hello. Hello. There we go. Okay. Cool. Okay. Yeah. So right now we are. Oh, I guess I need to update the like what's going on title. This is dask notebook into. Yeah. Let's see how it's going. Okay. Okay. So it built. That's great. Um, I guess the next thing that I want to do is try and deploy Dask Gateway. So let's go ahead and let's look up how to do that. Okay, I would like to install this on a Kubernetes cluster. Um, so, no, I already have a Kubernetes cluster. Yeah, I would like to, okay, yeah. Here is the gateway chart repository. That is going to be useful because can one access the repo of this stream? No. Unfortunately, making open source code is a bit of a challenge. And so I have to go through an approval process. But I generally like take what I learn and I turn it into blog posts, and those blog posts have the chunks of code in it that matter. And those go through the approval process, and they become available on scaling pythonml.com. Okay. 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 So there we go. It's been updated. I would like to configure it. Yeah. So, let's take a look at the default values.yaml and see what we can configure. Cool. Yeah, so the main thing that I want to configure is, okay, yeah, I don't actually know if the Dask gateway server is built for ARM yet either or not. That is going to, that's weird. Okay. And no, AMD 64 as well, only. Okay, so that's fine. So we are also going to want to rebuild this. Okay. Okay, there's a Docker file in there. Is there a Docker file in Dask Gateway? There is. Okay, yes. Docker build X. Dask Gateway server. Let's hope this just works, you know? It might. Thanks for understanding about the repos and the blog posts. It's, just how day job works. Cool. Looking solid. Oh. Okay. Huh. Well, while that's building, let's go back and take a look. So once... Oh, wait, that's not going to actually give me... This gives me a gateway, but the Dask gateway is not going to let me move Jupyter inside. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. So I guess I could deploy Jupyter Hub as well. And that would be a thing. This is starting to get like... There's a lot of turtles, I guess, just kind of... coming up. So we could either install Jupyter Hub on as well. Hello. Yeah. Jupyter Hub. Yeah. Yeah, but given what we saw with the Jupyter images not being built, sorry, I look over here so much. Given what we saw with the Jupyter images not being built, I'm not confident that that's going to be the right way to do this. And so instead, we'll come back to Dask Gateway another day. Um, oh yeah, and this failed. So like, yeah, okay, screw that. We're just gonna deploy this the other way. We're just gonna manually deploy and set up a service. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so dask Kubernetes. Okay, here we go. There's two different ways to install it. So there's so it's a worker spec. That's fine. GPU's configuration. Have RBAC set up. Yeah. Okay, that's not at all useful. Yeah. Oh, okay, here we go. You can use the desk configuration. It looks like we are gonna have to install. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, it looks like we're going to be doing so Jupyter Hub, ARM, Kubernetes. Let's see. uh, uh,
Oh wait, is this pizza crust?
wait, did he find it?
Shit.
Oh, he got the pizza box. Oh, god damn it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
I love you. What do you have, buddy? He took off, so I knew it must be good.
Okay. So,
Yeah, eat a pizza
um,
crust. You'll get it from me. Very small though.
I'm not sure what the best way is to do this. So yeah, okay, here's sort of what I'm thinking. Let's go to best practices. Similar your local okay. So I don't so okay, there's the desk dev notebook. And I guess I could just deploy, but I could just well we did just build this, I guess, and so I could just deploy it. Yeah, I guess let's try it. Okay. Dash notebook Kubernetes. Let's see if someone's okay. Okay. So the Helm chart brings up a notebook. I don't, but I also don't know if I want to use the Helm chart. It sounds like it wasn't very good. But let's see what's going on with this 0 to Jupyter Hub. Okay, so I've got Kubernetes set up. Let's go ahead. Okay. Ah, okay. Okay. Well, let's do this. Let's go ahead. We are going to take a look at what is in the Jupyter Hub Helm chart. Jupyter Hub has been added to my repos. Yeah, okay. Helm repo update. Yeah, okay. Great. And then, so here's the deal. If I go into GitHub, Jupyter Hub Helm chart, there we go. This is the Helm chart. Oh, if this is the one that I want, I think. Okay, and there's a few different. There's a deg-config.yaml. Okay. But I don't see. Okay, when was this last updated? Okay, 5 hours ago. That's solid. So I should be able to use this to do something. Well, let's install it and see if it works. And then if it doesn't, we can deal with it then. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Mostly because I don't know what we're stuck on. Okay. Let's just go ahead. We'll just install this. Yeah? Okay. There's no config.yaml. Great. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Where are we? Okay, dask-kubernetes. Okay. So here is. Wait. Whatever. Fine. Let's probably be done with a secret rather than this, but that's fine. Or probably this is actually read and turned into a secret. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Okay. Config.yaml. Ooh, trippy. Okay. Oh, actually, got namespaces. Yeah, okay, cool. kubectl get all -n jhub. Okay. kubectl logs. Yeah. Okay. So not surprisingly, kubectl describe. No, that's. Okay. So this is the image. Notably, that is, you know, not compiled for ARM. It's annoying. That's fine. We can go ahead and we can fix that as yeah, scratch. Okay, and then we're gonna go into. I thought there was something. Oh, okay, it's called Docker stacks for some reason. So none of these are the image awaiter. Okay, I guess let's go ahead and find whoever's defined this. For what? Okay, cool. Oh God, this is the choice of being on a new architecture super early on. Okay, let's go into images, Roggen. Okay. Docker build X. Okay. We're just gonna. These are all just gonna be 0.0.1 because I don't know what I'm doing. That's okay. I hope this works. And if it doesn't, we'll deal with it then. Okay. So image awaiter. That's the next one that we're gonna need to build. What was it? 0 to Jupyter Hobcates. Okay. Okay. Oh, I want to call this J image awaiter just so it's at least vaguely somewhat clear what's going on. It's not going to be especially, but that's okay. Okay. And then let's go up a level. Okay. 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 Yes. J secret sync. And then a single user sample. Okay. Okay, Roggen. So we are building a lot of containers. Oh no, and this one failed. Um, fuck. This one succeeded. This one's going fine. Okay, I guess let's figure out what's going on with this image awaiter crap. And if we can just like kind of half-ass it. Okay. Doot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's take a look at the Docker file. Oh, wait, what does the... Oh. Uh, okay. Oh, that's a lot of shit. Hmm. Mm. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead. We are going to SSH to um oh fucking the hub also didn't build. Oh, that's not good. Um okay, cool. Well, we got two issues to figure out. And it's gonna be a fun day. Oh, it's not local. Damn it. Oh. Oh. I guess just let's say HTTPS, fine. And then okay, and then we go into images, then we go into image awaiter, cat the Docker file. So, doot, 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 doot. Okay, I guess let's try. Hmm. Yeah, this is Go 1.3 versus Go 1.15, so this is not great, but it's probably fine. Let's see if there's a new version of the Golang images yet. uh I guess we could do 1.1.5.3 and see. Okay. Okay. Let's say I am mostly interested in ARM64. Um, dot. Okay. I mean, we could try using. Okay, so that built just fine. So, what I'm going to try and do, which is not necessarily really, it's not all that principled, but, you know, maybe. Mm, oh, root. Yeah, as you know, let's see. Um, oh, no, that failed. Okay. Huh. So this is failing. Hmm. With a segmentation fault core dump. Okay. But on the other hand, I just built this fine with Go 1.13 on an actual ARM machine. So let's try that. Hmm. Mhm. Okay. Hmm. Um. Huh. That is kind of weird. Uh. Build xqmu. Hmm. Okay. Sounds like this might be a QEMU issue. Um. Okay. Um. Hmm. Yeah. Uh. Ah. Okay, so this sounds like it's a Golang QEMU combination issue, maybe? Maybe. Um. Hmm. Hmm. I guess. Oh God. Oh. Maybe I need to update my version of QEMU. I could see that. QEMU. QEMU. Okay. Okay. Um. Hmm. QEMU arm5 static 5.1. So let's go ahead. apt cache search QEMU arm static. What? Okay. Uh, okay. Uh, okay. So I probably want. Let's go to the homepage of QEMU. Um. Okay. I would like to use a newer version. Um. Okay. I guess though. QEMU. It's not APK. It's like apt channels. What are they called again? Apt apt QEMU latest? I don't I guess we could install it from source, right? And that's fine. 5.1.0. Okay. Hmm. So I could either try and fix this. That's totally an option. All right, I can install the new version of the emulation, or I can try and configure it so I'm using a remote builder. That might be faster, but I don't know. Okay. Docker buildx remote host. Okay. Hmm. Um, Docker buildx. What? Okay. Okay. So Docker context ls. Yeah, great. Um, hmm. Okay, how do I add? Okay, Docker add remote context. Okay. Do, do, do. Um, huh. I am. Wait. Okay, that's the same. Um, hmm. I am. I am confused. So, to use a remote node, you specify the Docker host. Okay, so let's say I go ahead. Yes. So building on multiple native nodes using the same builder instance. Great. So how do I hmm. How do I make a remote context? I'm a little fuzzy on this. Docker remote arm context. There we go. Okay, cool. So there's this. Yeah, got that. Yes. Okay, have a local network. Okay. Little sketchy, but sure. So we will go ahead and I guess I could do it. Actually, let's do it on the Jetson Nano, because that thing is it's got a little bit more power than my Pi, I think, and but it's also like not super important. Okay. Okay. Copy. Do it. Okay. Okay. So it sounds like. Oh. Okay. Yeah. So 3.125. Okay.
Good shake.
So now we will go ahead. Phoenix ARM64. Name. When you say, what you mean? Jetson Nano. I guess this is oh, notebook inside the cluster. What do I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much it. It means that the notebook is hosted on Kubernetes node. That being said, right now, not running on EKS, which is fine, but tricky, tricky. Yeah. So the problem is right now, the problem that I'm facing right now is that I've got a bunch of ARM machines, and a lot of this stuff is only built for x86, and I'm beginning to see why. So I can go ahead now, and I can go, okay. So then I've made a new platform. Okay, in theory. Okay, yeah, okay. Docker build X. And so this should probably fail because I shouldn't be able to build it for AMD 64. It looks like it's, though it's running. That's confusing. Whoa, that's trippy as. I'll get out. Yeah, well, I'll probably try swapping this over from Flint to the other one in a little bit. I'm curious to see if we are running QEMU. Doesn't look like it, so maybe it actually is doing its thing? I should have stayed on that host so that I could actually see if it was doing anything. Remember what, okay. There we go. Okay. Are we, okay. What's going on? Okay, maybe. I guess it's not actually super clear. Okay. Weird. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so that makes sense. That makes sense. Oh, this looks way better. Yeah. Okay. So I think this is what I want, actually. So this context is going to be called Jetson Nano CTX. And we're just going to SSH as root to 192.168.3. 125. Okay, so that looks good, I think. And now let's jump back to the building multiple architectures with Docker build X. Okay, so we want to create. Okay, my combined builder. Okay, made that. That's great. And now I am going to append to this my ARM64 node. Right, and that's going to be the Jetson Nano context. Docker context ls. Let's make sure. Okay, cool. That looks solid. Now, let's see if this works. Oh, and I should probably update the version to 1.15 because there's... Yeah. This could work. I would be very excited. I hope it works. I hope it works. I'm going to install htop while we're here, just because that's a thing that I find really useful. Oh. Weird. Okay, did that... Oh, cool. Okay, cool. Cool. No. So it looks like it's still using... So... Does there have to be something... Docker build xls. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean that's I would say dask is a alternative to sorry, my brain is not partying. But yeah, dask is another distributed data parallel distributed computing system. Okay. Yeah, how do I disable building? Docker disable QEMU builds. Okay. So this is the thing. I want it to prefer the non-emulated one. Okay. I guess what else could I do? Okay. We're going to create a new and we'll see if it maybe, this is a long shot. Okay. So I've swapped the order, and my hope is that it just builds based on order. Okay, cool. So okay, Docker build xls. Okay. 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 So Docker context ls. Yeah. What happens if I just do this? Okay, and now we go ahead, Docker build xls. Okay, these both show up as inactive, but in theory, you know, these look like the right things. So let's see what happens. Is this going to succeed? The answer might be no. In which case, I don't know what time it is. It's 6:40. If we don't succeed at this, probably take a break soon. But if this succeeds, we can keep going. Okay. So AMD 64 side is going. ARM side is taking its time. We don't actually know where it's building the ARM image. I really hope it's building it over. This looks promising. I see build kit. I see build kit running on my ARM machine. So I think there's a really good chance that it is building on my ARM machine. Okay. So in that case, we are going to make some quick notes really quickly. Okay. So moving the Jupyter notebook inside the ARM cluster. Okay. So our notes are going to be, let's bring this over here really quickly. Okay. QEMU plus CGO is not a party. So cross-building images is also not a party. So cross-building images with QEMU instead, we can use remote contexts. Let's go ahead and grab that link that we were looking at just a minute ago. Actually, I'm gonna... Oh yeah, it worked! Oh, I got a lot of things going on. Nope. Not that. I have too many instances of Chrome. Ah, here we go. This one. Okay. See this for how to set up a remote SSH context, namely, well, we'll get that. Context. Yeah. Then, okay. Ah, fudgesicles. No. Docker buildx create -- use then. We do this. And we make a buildx environment. But since we have QEMU locally, it's important that the remote ARM context is the first, since otherwise they'll still try to build with emulation. Okay, cool. And then append. Yeah. Okay. Notes. The what is it? The recommended path is to deploy Jupyter Hub, Helm chart, deploy the other one, but the Helm chart is still the dask Helm chart. Okay, cool. I make notes so that I don't forget what's going on, because otherwise tomorrow when I try and like turn this into something, I won't remember what's going on, and I'll have to go back and watch this, which is fine. But you know, if I make these notes, it'll be a little bit easier. Okay. So the other one which did not build was the hub. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to try and build the hub image using this magical happy thing. It is probably going to fail. Yeah. Oh, thank you. I'm not a master at any of this either, but like I enjoy it. What was I going on? CO is used in the project for await container image Docker files changes. And so what we're going to find out here is we're going to find out, oh, this is so much faster. I should have done this ages ago. Oh, oh well. I mean, say it's well, it looks like it's going well though. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. And that pushes same for yeah. Another compilation issue exists for the main hub. Let's find out. No, okay, so, and this one fails. Even, so we are going to have to figure out why this is failing. Which needs, let's figure out what the changes are that are needed to the Docker file. Okay. 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 Let's start with this. Like maybe, well, let's go take a look at what the hub is doing. That's probably oh yeah, that is not what it's doing. let's take a look if this is built. Oh, no, no. Yeah.
Oh, what about? You have to go to bed. Oh, good boy.
Snuggle.
Snuggle up. I should use a nap.
Yeah, I mean, either that or he needs a walk.
Yeah.
Do you want me to try and take him for a walk?
Maybe.
So he hasn't done anything today.
Yeah. Played in the house a bunch.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, he probably needs a walk.
Okay, I'm gonna Alexa, create a 15-minute timer.
15 minutes. Starting now.
Rockin'. So I'm gonna give myself 15 minutes to try and get this working, and then I'll take him for a walk.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, everything is so magical.
No.
Okay. Oh, so this is taking a bit more time. That's okay. I hope we're getting really close. Oh, and it looks like our screen stopped updating again. Yep. Okay, cool. So I think it periodically overheats and then disappears. So that is what it is. I think I'm gonna replace this red thing with a similar device and hope that it overheats less often. Who knows? Okay, so the AMD 64 one finished. Fine. ARM is wait. Okay. Yeah, this is where the rubber hits the road, as it were. So let's take a look. Okay, yeah. Interesting. So let's progress. We got further along than last time. No matching distributions found for PySpy. I think that's probably optional. Let's be honest. Right? Like I don't think that matters. Okay, let's go take a look at requirements.txt. Spy. Okay. PySpy ARM 64. Okay. So looks like not a party. Yeah. uh, yeah. It. Well. So it was added to build for ARM, so that's kind of cool. But it's for ARM 7. Well, let's go ahead and try pip installing this on this thing. Oh, install pip, or it might be python-pip. Python 3 dash pip. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Fine. This. What are you gonna say? Are you gonna tell me that's not a party? Okay. Okay. So I suspect this is actually probably optional. Not currently built for Linux ARM64. Okay. Um, so let's hope that does the trick. There's a chance we're gonna run out of time though, because yeah. Well, there's only so much time, I suppose. Hmm. I guess we could also well, for now we'll just skip it because I just don't. Hmm. Well, it's looking good. Tentatively. Um, tentatively. Do, do, do. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see here. Yeah, okay. It looks like we've got it working for values of working which are allowed some flexibility. Although we are going to make a note, which needs to change this to the Docker file as well, namely remove PySpy since it's not available for ARM64 on PyPy currently. Cool. And so there's the rest of the build. I suspect it's going to succeed. Alexa, how much time is left on my timer?
You have 7 minutes left on your 15-minute timer.
Okay, well, let's hang out because like maybe it will succeed and that would be a nice note to end on together, or maybe it'll fail and then at least we know where we have to go next. And it succeeded. It succeeded. Look at that. Look at that. That's a good day. It's a very good day. It's exporting the layer, it's exporting the image. Oof. Okay. So we tracked down the issues with it. And we've got the containers built for this. And so the next step after this is, well, first the containers are gonna all get uploaded to Docker Hub so that I can use them more easily. And of course, if anyone's like following along at home, you can also try them out. And the other thing that we're gonna do now, and it stopped updating. But let me show you the latest. And so this is why we know it was a success. It's currently just exporting to image and exporting to layers. So everything finished. That's great. We've succeeded. Ooh, I need to file my nails. And yeah, cool. And now it's gonna push the layers up to Docker Hub. So that's great. So that's really good. We got things working with the images. So that's great. And that's really what we want. And that gives us a solid basis on which we can then try and build deployment on top of. So that's what we're going to try and do next. For, I guess, part 2 of this, we're going to try and take the Helm chart, and we're going to try and specify that it should use our our images. And so hopefully that'll work out, and that'll be a bit easier. And that'll be where we can go from. For next time, I'm going to replace this really, really hot, physically hot video capture card with a different one, and see if it's working out better. And if it's not, we'll figure out something else, and we'll make that work. I do want to show really quickly that there's a Timbit there's a rack camera, a Timbit camera, and there's also an IoT camera that we'll be using later. And so there's some fun things to come in sort of the next iterations of this project. Actually, not this project specifically, but as the stream continues to go forward. So thanks for joining me so much. I really appreciate you spending your Friday night with me. I hope you have a lovely rest of your weekend. Happy Halloween, everyone.